Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will learn how hashing works, why it has a weakness, and how salting fixes that weakness. First, let's understand hashing. Think of a hashing function as a magic blender. You put a word in, and it produces a fixed length, random-looking output called a hash. For example, the password Apple123 might become Z8F2Q. It's a one-way street. You cannot reverse the hash back to the original password. Now here's the problem. If two people use the same password, their hashes are identical. If a hacker learns that hash, it can break into both accounts. Let's show that visually. To fix this, we add a salt. A salt is a random, unique string added to the password before hashing. The idea is password plus salt gives a salted password. Here is the full process. You type a password. The computer generates a random salt. It combines them, hashes the result, and stores the salt and hash in the database. Now notice what happens when two users choose the same password but get different salts. Their hashes become different. This blocks rainbow table attacks and forces a hacker to guess each password one by one. Let's summarize. A hash is a one-way scrambled output. A salt is a unique random ingredient added to each password. And the result is that even identical passwords look different in the database, making attacks much harder.